My edge as a trader comes from precise decision making, putting different pieces of information together under a high pressure environment. But what I've been seeing on social media is that most traders focus on the wrong things: indicators, fancy chart setups, and all the basic chart patterns that everyone should already know by now. There's one key component of trading that most retail traders overlook. Most trading gurus won't tell you the edge that you can gain from this. But this is something that many traders who trade at a highly successful level know: your trading platform. How do you put together a trading tool that is fast, precise, and reliable when you need to execute your trades? My trading platform is a key component of how I became a verified millionaire trader. Most YouTube videos don't even share these. If you're serious about trading, you know how frustrating it is sometimes when your orders don't get filled, missing ideal entries, or dealing with unreliable broker platforms. Execution speed, price, precision, real-time level 2 data, these are all components of your trading that matter more than any indicator or fancy setup. So in this video, I want to teach you about the benefits that a trader can gain by using EdgetoTrade Pro. EdgetoTrade Pro is just a trading platform. It's not a broker. Let me repeat, it's not a broker. EdgetoTrade Pro is a software that traders use to connect to their broker accounts so that they can execute their trades on a high-speed platform. This is a tool that gives you a real edge: faster order executions, advanced routing, direct market access, and customizable layouts tailored for speed. That's why professional traders, prop firms, and serious retail traders rely on it. I'll show you exactly how I use EdgetoTrade Pro in my daily trading. And all I'm asking for is a free like on this tutorial. I really appreciate your support. You'll see my personal layout and the most important features that help me stay competitive as a trader. First thing, let me quickly address what kind of traders should consider getting EdgetoTrade Pro. If you are absolutely brand new or struggling with the basics of trading, do not spend any extra on premium trading tools. But you can get the demo version of EdgetoTrade for free. It's a free way to practice trading on the same platform as the pro traders. Now, if you have some experience trading already, think about your current trading style and how often you get hit with unnecessary losses due to slippage or FOMO because you lost patience and had to switch your limit orders to market orders and ended up with a bad average price. Most trading platforms that retail traders use are slow, especially if you are on the zero commission platforms. They're built for convenience, not speed. If you're day trading small cap stocks or large cap momentum stocks, timing is crucial. The difference between getting filled at your ideal entry or missing the trade entirely comes down to your execution speed and order routing. EdgetoTrade Pro is a direct market access platform, meaning it connects you straight to the market without unnecessary delays. Most retail broker platforms use payment for order flow, meaning your orders get routed in a way that benefits brokers, not you. This is why you'll often see stocks move right past your entry price without getting filled. It's not just bad luck, it's because your broker isn't prioritizing your order. With EdgetoTrade Pro, you can control your routing. You can send your orders to the best possible route, whether it's ARCA, EdgeX, Cobra's REB25, or direct to market makers. In short, you get faster fills, better pricing, because you control your own order routing, which means you can get filled at the best possible price, and you can access the hidden liquidity in the level 2s that regular brokers won't show you. Here's what my personal layout looks like on DOS. I will show you guys how to make yours look just like mine or customize it in the way you like. The reason why I like mine this way is it's just simple and straight to the point. I have my orders here and the executions here with the time and the routes, and I can keep track of the ECN fees, and it's just pretty simple. I'm keeping track of the fees. I have all my orders over here getting executed, and over here I have my locates. I can go through my locates, all the different locate routes. So you can see Cobra has 11 locate routes, and I have my shares at 3,000. But you know, I can locate more as I want. Just do 3,000 increments is what works for me. And I have my order here, my level 2. So this is my level 2. So when the market's on, all the level 2 happens here. And I like to do 500. So I'm recycling shares, and I'm just doing 500 at a time. And you know, I can do it pretty quick. So the market's off right now, but I can do it pretty quick when I need to. And I have REB25L always there. And over here, I'll have, you know, this is a time and sales, and I got level 2. So everything is always fresh and ready to go. And up here, you'll usually see my account, the amount of money and stuff. So I just hid that for now but while I'm sharing the screen with you guys. But yeah, I just keep it simple, and it's just the bare bones for me, you know, just a level 2, time and sales, locates, the amount of locates, and just to be pure efficient, short cover, be able to recycle. That's what I love about DOS too. It's just, it keeps it bare bones. There's no flashy gimmicks or anything. It's not trying to be pretty. It's not, you know, it's just good. It's just very efficient. Also, I wanted to mention, I do have my stop loss section here. So you can put a stop loss section, and as it's approaching it, you can get alerted, you know, so I always watch that as well. So for DOS, the must-have that I need is I like to use these tools over here. Ask Edgar, dilution tracker, and it goes by the ticker. So if I click, for example, the Ask Edgar button, it'll go to, right now I have MGOL, it'll go to MGOL's profile on Ask Edgar. And the same thing for all these other websites. It'll populate it on those websites. What are the things that you must have on your trading platform? Let me know in the comments. DOS comes with the default layout, and then you gotta set it all up. So in the future, I might do a whole video just starting fresh with the straight up DOS layout and just start from scratch and make it like this. But yeah, this is the way I like it organized. Just it's very simple and straight to the point. And yeah, I'm using my brain power for the thesis, for the trades, and to execute my playbook. Okay, so for level 2, it's very important to have the right level 2, and DOS has like the most efficient level 2. They have like cables hooked up to the actual exchanges and get like the fastest direct order executions. So it is like the fastest you're gonna get. I like to use, of course, you know, a Cobra REB25L. So with REB25, I use REB25L, and that's a limit order, and I'm not losing on ECN fees. If I'm adding liquidity, I'll get rebates, and if not, it's just a 0 ECN fee. Many small cap traders like myself use a method called share recycling to execute our trades. It's how I control my position sizes, scaling when the trade is going the right way, and trim quickly to manage risk. I need to recycle shares, especially when there's a crazy runner, on days when we have those 300% or more. Whenever we have the big plays, having a fast and precise execution platform helps me focus on trading and making the right decisions. That's how I can stay on top of my position sizing, locking in profits, and adding to my winners with precision. If you would like an in-depth tutorial or a live trading video of how I actually day trade with DOS, comment live trading to let me know. Cobra is by far the best broker that I have ever used. I can easily borrow shares when I see an A+ short setup, and their locate fees are really competitive. My favorite thing about Cobra is, of course, the REB25 route, where my limit orders will get rebates on the trading commissions. It's perfect to pair Cobra with DOS Trader Pro. I highly recommend this trading setup if you need fast and reliable executions for small cap stock trade. Okay, so when the market's on, you have the level 2 over here, and it's important to see, I like to look for iceberg orders. So I'll have, which means big orders, I'll have with different colors, color coded differently. So I'm able to notice these massive orders, and I can see when they're diluting, you know, when someone's exercising a large amount of warrants, for example, that's how I'm suspicious of, like if I'm looking for dilution. Or if the company has, if the stock has an ATM, you know, possibly. So I'm able to see those iceberg orders flash, and you know, I can notice them through the color code. Also, you can see spoofing on the level 2 when someone's flashing a big order to lure someone in to short or something like that. So like level 2 is important. Yeah, DOS Trader has the best level 2 out there, and it's the most, like the quickest one. I have Thinkorswim for charts, and Thinkorswim has level 2. With DOS, level 2 is much more precise. Also, another thing that's important is the time and sales. So a lot of times you'll see orders go through the time and sales that are dark pool orders, and you'll notice this after hours and pre-market. So it's important, you know, I like to you know, have that available. It's important to note sometimes that when you see these dark pool orders that come in at different prices than the level 2, because then you can use that as part of as your thesis to form it. And that's more of an advanced topic, but it's It's something you can see from a direct access broker that plugged into the exchange, basically. So that's my DOS Trader setup tutorial. The way you set up your trading tool has a big impact on your trading performance. So I hope that I've shared some real life trading tips that are actually related to your trade executions. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your trading buddies. DOS Trader Pro is a professional grade trading tool. If you are a beginner, you can also try it with their free demo and see if it fits your trading style. Now, if you're curious about the rest of my trading softwares and how I set up my trading desk, click this video over here.